Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to Madam Rosita whenever you are watching this. My name is Aqil Aiman from Group 1. With Group 1. With me is Faiz, Haqimi, and Zarif Ariffin will be presenting about our questionnaire for our exercise routine that influence body health. The survey that we have conducted, we have based on the demographic, we have checked the email for the authenticity, the name, check whether or not they're real or not, the gender, which is the male and female, the education level, which is in the SPM or the SPM, diploma, master's degree or other. The age is between 18 to 31 and above. The occupation ranging from student, employed, unemployed, and retired. This is one of the graphs. We focus more on the age. The demographic for the age is we managed to find 38 respondents, and the majority of the respondent is 14, which is 31 and above. 12 is 18 to 20 years old. 10 is 21 to 25 years, and the minority is 2, which is 26 to 30 years old. One of the question is from the part B, exercise preference that I've chosen is how often you do exercise routine. There are 4 options, which is daily, weekly, monthly, and rarely. This is the graph for how often you do exercise routine, which is daily is 10 with 26%. Monthly is 3, which is 8%. Rarely is 8 people, 21%. And weekly, the majority is 17 with 45%. For the result is because of the age and lifestyle, most respondents are 31 and above, making weekly exercise more practical due to work and family commitment, because they have a family they have to take care of and their life. Work-life balance, because weekly exercise is easier to fit into busy schedule compared to daily exercise, because since majority of respondents are a lot older, their work-life balances is majorly because they have to work 9 to 5, which can cause their schedule to be a lot more busy. So weekly exercise is a lot easier to fit into it. There's health awareness, because older respondents likely understand the importance of regular exercise, but balance it with other responsibility, because that they understand that the older they get, the more likely they have health problems, and it's important, and they understand that it's very important for them to be healthy because of it. And there's also social and recreational activities, because many people participate in organized sport or fitness classes that occur on a weekly basis. This is usually occur, like for example Zumba or any other activities, which usually happen during the Saturday or Sunday days. This is the main. That is all the 4 reasons for my. That is all the reason for the chart being majorly weekly basis. That is all for me. I will now give it to Faiz Haqimi.
So thank you, Aqil, for the presentation. I will present about my part. So my part is part B, exercise preference. The question is, how do you feel your body before doing exercise? There was 3 options. The first one, did you consume any food before doing exercise? The second one, do you just eat a snack? And the third one, do you eat a balanced meal? So this is my pie chart. How do you feel your body before exercise? As you can see, there were 9 people did not consume any food, and 12 people just eating a snack, and 70 people eat a balanced meal before doing exercise. So this is the reason for result. If you do not consume any food, the energy inside your body will be reduced, and this leads to fatigue and decreased stamina during the workout. And if you just eat a snack, you might experience a quick spike in energy due to simple sugar, followed by a rapid drop, which also leads to the fatigue during the workout. But if you eat the balanced meal, It helps you maintain the blood sugar level, dealing with fatigue, and allow you for a longer exercise session lah. The next one, how many rest day you take per week? There was 4 options. Okay, so this is my pie chart for how many rest day you take per week. As you can see, there were 10 people that rest 3 to 4 days, and there was 20 people that rest 1 to 2 days, and there were 1 people only that didn't rest, and 7 people rest 5 or more days. So I will explain about the result. If you rest only 3 to 4 days and 1 to 2 days, your muscle recovery will grow. This allows your muscle to repair and grow stronger. It enhances overall fitness and performance. It also improves your mental health. It helps reduce stress and prevents burnout, or keeping you motivated and mentally fresh. The last one, it helps you be a better sleeper. Explain about the result if you didn't take any rest or you rest longer, more than 3 to 4 days. So if you didn't rest, it will increase the risk of injury, such as injury in strains, sprains, more common when muscle and joints don't get time to recovery. It will also decrease your performance. Without rest, your body might not be recovered fully, which lead to endurance and overall performance. The last one, if you rest longer, more than 5 days, like it will reduce your motivation, be like less motivated to do exercise. That's all for me. I will pass to Zarif. Thank you.
Thank you, Faiz, for the presentation. Next, I will do my part. The question I have picked is that, do you stay hydrated during the exercise? So this is the graph of the respondent that answered this question, which 26.3% has answered no, and 73.7% has answered yes for this question. Okay, so why the respondent has stay hydrated during the exercise is first because awareness of hydration benefits. Mostly respondents recognize the significance of hydration in maintaining performance, reducing fatigue, and preventing heat-related illnesses during the exercise. Next, habitual behavior. Individuals who answer yes may have established a regular water intake routine during their exercise session. And lastly, type and intensity of the exercise. Exercise type and intensity can influence hydration practices and potentially explaining why many respondents stay hydrated. Okay, so next, why respondent isn't stay hydrated during the exercise is because first, lack of awareness. Some respondents might not be fully aware of the importance of hydration during exercise. Then, type of the exercise itself. If their exercise sessions are short or low intensity, they might not feel the immediate need to hydrate. Okay, next for the question on the part C, I've picked the question, do you track your exercise session? So this is the graph of the question that respondent have tracked their exercise session or not. Some respondent has the yes, which 55.3%, and the other 44.7% isn't tracked their exercise session. Okay, for result of yes, the respondent tracking exercise session can increase accountability, making individuals more likely to adhere to their fitness plans. And second, goal setting and motivation. Monitoring progress and maintaining motivation, thereby promoting more consistent and effective workout routines. Some of the respondents isn't track their exercise routine because first, personal habits. Some individuals might be in the habit of exercising without tracking, relying on internal cues and personal judgment to monitor their progress. Second, cost and accessibility. The cost of wearable device of paid fitness apps might be a barrier for some respondents. Additionally, not everyone may have access to the necessary. Okay, that's to conclude our presentation. Thank you from Metaverse staff for listening, and that's all from us.